All right, our focus continues to be on Karnataka and open the lower deck of the double-decker flyover without any further delay. Now, this is exactly what most Bengaluruyans who are facing daily traffic woes at the Silk Boat Junction are now appealing to the Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation. Now, the lower deck was ready 1.5 years ago, but the construction of the ramps at the Silk Boat Junction was completed very recently. As part of the Yellow Line Metro, BMRCL had built a 3-kilometer road-cum-rail flyover to the Silk Boat from Ragigudda. In fact, as I told you, the BMRCL had also built 3 ramps traversing over a flyover located at the Silk Boat Junction, and presently the infrastructure is partially ready to accommodate traffic flow. Now, while the initial plan was to open the road infrastructure for motorists by the end of 2023, the deadline was revised to May and then to June 2024 as the Metro Authority reportedly awaited for the centre and also the state government's approval to set a formal opening date.
It's been nearly a month now since authorities in Bengaluru completed the city's first double-decker flyover connecting JP Nagar to Silk Boat. But astonishingly, the flyover has still not been inaugurated. Why? Merely because the government hasn't been able to get the right amount of VIPs to inaugurate the flyover. Well, that's right. The project here by the BMRCL behind us that you see, the double-decker flyover over here, has been completed for nearly a month now. However, owing to the fact that the central minister and the central authorities in concern haven't had the time from their busy schedules to come down here and ease the lives of commuters, the flyover remains unopened. Remember that this is one of the busiest stretches of traffic in Bengaluru. For the residents outside Bengaluru, they would know that the Silk Boat Junction is an absolute nightmare to go by, whether during peak hours or otherwise.
So that's, of course, the exclusive ground report that you saw there. My colleague Neha also spoke exclusively with Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar over this particular issue. Take a look.
Honorable Minister for Central Government has agreed that is going to come. We didn't want it to do ourselves. Central Government Minister has agreed. I was told the information. Till the 3rd there was a Parliament session. The Parliament session is over. I also informed the CM also, because I want CM also to participate. We will do it as early as possible.